Hi Scorpions, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. We will see what kind of energies you are getting from the universe, what exactly you can expect from universe in terms of your upcoming events and the important events which are lined up for you. What exactly you should avoid doing in the month of December 2020 to make sure that your month becomes smoother and then you have lesser problems and lesser issues in the month of December in comparison to the last couple of months if you've had any. Okay. But then before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get me, for your personalized readings, you can reach me easily. And you can reach me on 84489011791. You can WhatsApp me, call me, or Telegram me on this number. You can also email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and see what energies do we have in store for you, Scorpions. And as usual, to start with, we are going to go ahead with the very first card in the month of December. That's your theme of the month. We've got a beautiful card, a very nice card. You will love your card. And then we are just flipping cards now for you for the upcoming months, upcoming weeks rather in December. So we will read we'll have a reading basis each and every week we are going to cover here. Okay. So we are doing it here. One of the card has come in reverse. I will tell you what exactly it is. Uh, Okay, so let's get ahead. The very first card, which I was talking about, your card, which is your theme of the month card, Meet Your Wish Fairy. So, this month is going to be a very strong manifestation month for all those beautiful, strong Scorpion queens and the kings there. And this month is going to be, since it is going to be a very wish wisely kind of a month which is coming for you. So, whatever you wish, don't wish anything in a fit of anger. Don't wish anything bad for anyone, because if you expect and you wish something bad for someone, you also attract negative vibrations, negative karmas for yourself simultaneously. Okay, wish wisely, wish beautiful things for yourself, wish things you always wanted to do in life, but then because of whatever reasons you could not really pursue your hobby, some reason you could not really pursue the career you always wanted to. So pursue your dreams, pursue your wishes, ask God to grant you those wishes, because the wish fairy is going to grant you all those wishes, whatever you are going to wish for in the month of December. So make a list, a wish list for yourself, and ask God to help you. Okay. Another way of doing that is, it is a very beautiful way. You will like it. So you create a God box. Okay. Make a box, and then take any small box, those delivery boxes which come for you from different e-commerce websites. You can decorate it well, whatever symbol, whatever god you believe in, whatever energies you believe in, and start writing your wishes on a chipstick, and start folding it and dipping it into, drop it into the god box. This is another way of sending your wishes to the god, so that they hear it and then they actually fulfill your wishes. I have one god box of mine. I keep it ready, so I keep on putting my wishes, my concerns, my fears in that, so that my angels and my god listens to that, and then the wish actually reaches to the right authority. Okay. Moving ahead, the very first week of December is going to be a week wherein you will be the center of attraction for a lot of people, and the reason for that is that you are achieving a lot in life, and that is not liked by a lot of people around you. So, Scorpions, you're inviting jealousy, you're inviting enviness from people around you, and whatever reason, like it can be, or maybe I should say, there's no reason. Without any reason, they're going to talk about you, they're going to bitch about you. It is a back bitching thing happening. They are criticizing you without any reason. And if I am actually clear, and I'm correct here, and I'm sure you will be able to relate to me, at times people have nothing to do with you, nothing to do with your qualities, nothing to do with your flaws. Okay, but they still crib about you, because they cannot possess those qualities in them. They crave those qualities, but then some, because of whatever reasons, they are not able to attain them, and this is why they crib about the person who has those qualities which they crave. So this is what is going to be with you, going to be happening with you in the first week of December. You are going to be popular, Scorpions. You're going to be the most wanted person in the family or maybe in friend circle, and you're going to be a winner. So don't worry, and then do not ever take tension of these people, because they are, they're useless, and then they can't do much about you. They are not going to, they, even if they'll try very very hard to harm you, they will not stand in front of you, because you're going to be emerging like a winner in the month of December. And this initial 1 week, the starting of the month, is something which is a beautiful starting, very strong starting for you. So feel positive about it. You are a winner, Scorpions. Okay, moving to the next week now. Since these people could not do anything of you, could not harm you, and you did not really walk the path what they wanted you to walk on, so now they are aggressive. Now they are, their focus has actually diverted from their life towards your life. Now whatever you do, whatever you are doing, whatever you get into, whatever things you talk about, you will be the center of attraction for them to poke into your life. So poking is happening in the second week with you, Scorpions. Be careful. I know it is very dangerous to poke a scorpion again and again, because when they sting back, it is very dangerous, and it is, God save you then. But this is what people are trying to do with you. But Scorpion, there's a strategy you have taken in the month of December. You're taking in the month of December, being quiet. So I think that is the best policy. You have understood that these people cannot do anything of, they can't harm you because they don't have that caliber. Second, you don't want to waste your energies on these people. Okay, and third, you want to preserve, positive vibrations from the universe, and this is why you're investing in yourself. So you are self-focused, you are determined, and then no one can harm you. That is what you have understood very well. You know your enemies calibers also very well. That's what is the speciality of a scorpion. They are very sharp. Okay, and they know their friends and enemies very very well. I am going back to your first week again, wherein a lot of you are watching this video from a career and from relationship perspective categorically. So I let me tell you that first week you might have external parties interfering in your relation, trying to spoil that, but it will not happen, because you will not let that happen. And also from a financial perspective, also a lot of people might surround you from a financial perspective, like asking help from you. That is also is not going to impact you at all, because you are not going to help them. You're clear about it. You're saving things for yourself, you're preserving things for yourself. Okay, with these beautiful strong very vibrant energies, you're entering into the third week of December, and here there's a good news for people who are on family way, who want to go towards family way, who are about to conceive, or they are waiting for that good news in their life. I think third week will give you that good news. So if you are family way, it is a very good week for you, and you will have a lot of positive news coming towards you in terms of your nurturing. Also, as a person, excuse me, I've not been keeping well for some time. So okay, I'm moving to third week again, concentrating on the third week. It is a beautiful week. This week is full of aggression. This week is full of passion. It is a very passionate week, and the passion is resulting into either a family for you, if you are focused towards that, and that is your your was your aim in the month of 2020. You wanted to have a family, start a family. It's a good card. Also, people, I think a lot of Scorpions are going to be very well connected with their mothers, or a motherly figure will play an important role in your life in the month of December 2020, specifically the third week of December. That's a beautiful week. Okay. Also, in with these energies, with these beautiful energies, you have people, you are very confident, you're strong enough to deal with anything. In the fourth week, when you're entering there, I think there is some delay in terms of, if you were thinking of buying a new house, you were thinking of buying a new property, there could be a delay, so you'll have to bear with that. But then there is no what should I say, there is no harm, there is no loss which I see in cards in terms of property. I don't see that. People who were going commitment way, they wanted to get a commitment from their partner. I think that will again get delayed. So there's a delay coming your way in terms of any kind of commitment. If you were looking for any kind of house property related things, I will suggest, you know, you move that idea towards January or February next year. Also, one beautiful thing which is coming your way, Scorpions, is a very beautiful start. Do not ever get scared, I always say, by seeing death card in your readings, because death always talks about a transformation. There's a change which is coming your way. So if you were looking for a job, if you were looking for to start your business and you were not able to do that, this transformation might get you something lucky thing for you to get a clarity. You are getting Ace of Swords in your cards as a clarity clarifier card for a death. So I think you're going to take decisions which are going to cut you from irrelevant people and irrelevant ideas. So that is again a good news. This month is going to be a very strong month for you, Scorpions. You will be surprised the way you will be treated by your partner in the month of December. You ask for love, you will get love. You ask for happiness, you will get happiness. And I'm going to connect these two cards. Remember your fairy card, wish wisely. Whatever you wish, you get that in relationships also. So wish very, very wisely and very, very nicely, dear Scorpions. It is a beautiful month. It is a beautiful energy I am getting for you. So you don't need to worry about anything in December. It is a very strong month for you. I'm taking one last advice from the angels for you, and it say that you already have the quality of managing people your way, and you have that spirit in you already. So you're not going to face any issues, any problems, because your guardian angels are there with you, walking with you, and you will not get into any trouble, Scorpions. Beautiful energy, beautiful reading. Please be connected with me and have fun in life. Be positive, and God bless you all. Bye bye.